Okay, it's been 4.5 hours. Our turkey is done. We had 161 in the breast. We had 185 in the dark meat, and that is absolutely perfect. So a little trick I can teach you, even though, we spatchcock this to make it a more even cook. But sometimes, the breast portion, because they're so much thicker than the dark meat, they're gonna get done quicker, and you're trying to take the breast to a lower temperature. So a little trick you can do is you can take bags of ice, even like a bag of frozen peas, and before you put it in the smoker, before you season it, you can put bags of ice on the breast portion, just 20 minutes or so, and then remove it and go through your procedure of jacquarding and seasoning and then get it on the smoker. And that cools the breast portion down quite a bit so that when it cooks, it'll cook more evenly. And we didn't have to do that here, but if you're cooking a whole bird together, you may want to try that. How beautiful is that? Put a little kale, some little pumpkins. Now we're going to give it a try. So I think what I'm going to do is just cut into this breast meat a little bit. And get some of the skin on there. Ooh, it's hot. Juicy, flavorful. Oh God. Bite through and very juicy. And I can't say enough about this method of cooking. Spatchcock your turkey this Thanksgiving. Give it a try. Your friends and family will love it. Come to our website, bbqguru.com. Check out the tips, tricks, and recipes. Happy Thanksgiving.